Hey guys, Lucas Serwe from Serwe Automotive here, looking to show you our 2020 F-150 with a 6-inch rough country lift. Just got this truck in. Absolutely beautiful. We've had a number of lifted trucks in here. We found that this 6-inch lift with the 35-inch tires seems to be the best combination, the best of both worlds, where you get that nice, aggressive, lifted look, but still keep a decent ride height. No real modifications in the body, no needed fender flares, although if you like them, you can add them. As you can see, this truck is in perfect condition. 2020, just like you'd expect. 23,000 miles on that. We just added those nice drop-down step tubes to it. As you see, the beautiful fuel black wheels. All the lift, wheels, tires, everything is brand new, professionally installed. As you see here, mostly a lot of GM products, so we're excited to venture off into Ford here. They did a really nice job, obviously the best-selling truck on the market right now, that we decided we had to jump in here and add a lifted truck to our lot. We have a silver one coming in just like it. Open her up here. Nicely equipped XLT. Obviously you got power seat. I'll hop up here. Fire up. 23,044 for mileage. Interior in great shape, just like you'd inspect. Nice full-size crew cab, plenty of room. For more information about this truck, give us a call, 262-477-1180. Visit serweauto.com or stop in here in Kewaskum and see us. Thanks, guys.